Did you know, according to the internet, that Linux is the best operating system in the world? I didn't. Maybe we should take a look. Okay, so a few months ago, many months ago, actually, it's probably been almost a year by now, I downloaded the Linux Mint software because I wanted to try it and make a video and everything. And I've had it on this flash drive for a long time. And I just kept never doing it. I was afraid. I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't have a computer that I really wanted to put it on. And so it just sat there. I forgot about it, actually. Then I lost the flash drive. Then I found it. And I have it. But with all the recent videos that I've been making about Windows 11, people keep commenting that when Windows 10 support ends, they're going to use Linux instead. So it got me to thinking, like, maybe I should go ahead and just install it now to see what they're talking about, because everybody's raving about Linux. Linux. You have to put Linux. My mom runs Linux. My grandfather runs Linux. My children run Linux. Linux is the best operating system in the world. So I have to see for myself. So I thought I would go ahead and document me installing Linux and see what it's about. So let's go for it. Also, I was going to do it about a month ago, but I was worried that I wouldn't have internet. And I asked a couple of people, actually, and they said they didn't know what would happen. I mean, would it pick up the Wi-Fi or not? Because if I can't have Wi-Fi, then how am I going to use it? And then I asked somebody else, and then they said, well, why don't you have Ethernet? And I said, I just don't. And they said, well, you have to have Ethernet. So according to the internet, I have to have Linux and I have to have Ethernet. But I have 3 different Wi-Fi adapters here, so hopefully one of them will work. So let's try the install. Okay, so this is Mint. Let's see, 64 OEM. Not sure. Let's pick the first one. So I did not watch a tutorial or anything before this, so I might get something wrong right here. But it's supposed to be pretty straightforward, so let's see. It's doing something. No caching mode found. Huh. Let's try the compatibility mode. Okay, let's try this one, compatibility mode. Okay, now we have something. Loading drivers. Chroma keyboard, it recognized the keyboard. Loading essential drivers. So that's good. Picked up the mouse. That's good. Could not mount. Read write, trying read only. The disk contains an unclean file system. No hibernation. I don't know what any of this means. It's going. Okay. We have a mouse. And we have Wi-Fi. Okay. Actually, yeah, well, that was simple. So I didn't realize that if you boot from the flash drive, it actually boots to a Linux shell, like a graphical interface. So that's good, right? So we're gonna install Linux. There's Firefox, Office, LibreOffice. It's your terminal, English. Okay, this computer currently has Windows 10 on it. What would you like to do? So there's two drives on here. I don't want to put it on mine. Documents, music, personal files will be kept. You can choose which operating system you want each time the computer starts up. So you can do a dual boot, okay? Erase the disk, install Linux Mint, something else. So I want to... So this is my... I'm going to go here. SDB is the new drive. So let's go ahead and partition that. Hopefully we don't mess something up. You've selected an entire device to partition. If you proceed with creating a new partition table, then all current partitions will be removed. Okay. So this is, so A is like drive 1, B is drive 2, C is the flash drive. So we're gonna go B, new partition table, continue, free space, okay. And then we go back. Now there's a partition on it. How do we, this computer alongside anything else. Choose multiple partitions for... Okay, let's start over here. Because now there's a partition on it. It should want to... Let's do this. Let's bypass that. So... go do that. Okay. I wish there were some instructions somewhere. Install a Linux Mint alongside... See, I want to pick... Let's go here. Okay, so this is where I can pick. So I don't want to install it there. Why can't I back something else? Go back to that. Go back to here. Why did it not? Okay, I made a partition already. Create a new empty partition. Okay, did that. Why can't I install it here? Free space, partition. Oh, okay. I got you. So you had to make... the table, then do this plus sign. Now I can install it there, right? Yeah, okay. No root system is defined. What? Please correct this from the partitioning menu. Change. Okay, what's ext for journaling file system? I did that. No. No root file system is defined. Please correct this from the partitioning menu. Why? Because this is not the root? Mounting point. Boot. Please go back and add an EFI system partition. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. You know, like with Windows, you pick whatever's the default things. Should work. What is ext for? I mean, obviously I should have researched this before I did it, but I'm doing this from the perspective of somebody who knows nothing, and I wanted to see how easy it is. Oh. Wow, good. It's the Matrix. Look at that. Buffer IO error. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay. Removing installation medium. Press enter. System reboot. Okay, we are ready for Cinnamon. Let's boot. Okay, we're in. Let's go to Linux. Welcome to your new operating system. This welcome screen will guide you through the first steps. Okay, let's go. Desktop colors. System snapshots. Let's set automatic system snapshots, a minimum of 2 daily and 2 boot. If anything breaks, you can restore your computer. Also, this is like the backup, right? Driver manager. You appear to be offline. Okay, hold on. Update manager, system settings, firewall. So let's do this. Let's look for drivers. It's kind of, I don't know, it's a little, what's this? NVIDIA, this device is using an alternative driver, recommended this one. Okay, that's fine, I don't. So, yeah, it looks nice anyway. There's Firefox. Okay. Start browsing. There's a lady with a credit card. So can you install Chrome is the question. So how do you, okay, let's go to preferences, where's that software thing? Startup applications. Where'd that, here. System setting. Where's the software thing? Software sources. Huh. I just had that up, right? The software download thing. Online accounts, Windows, workspace, Bluetooth. Is it this one? No. Where's the software thing? So, logs, workspace. Where is it? Sound administration. Oh, there it is. Software manager. Why was that so hidden? Oh, wait. Do you have to... Do you have to download Chrome from the web browser? Probably. Let's see. Chrome, not Firefox. Why did I put that? Chrome for Linux. Chrome for Linux. Show me how. Open previous tabs. Why is it so... Oh, it has the Windows thingy, like the side by side. That's cool. But set up Chrome browser on Linux. Download installer. Okay. Set policy. To download Chrome browser. Package. Download Chrome for Linux for Ubuntu. Accept and install. Okay. So I wonder if, because there's so many different packages, if I just have the wrong, maybe I should have picked a different package or version, or I picked Mint because that's what people said to pick, but I feel like I missed a step somewhere. So is it on? Let's see. All applications. Did it install? Same version as all. What? Already installed. Chrome. Oh. Welcome to Chrome. Okay. So it's already on here? I don't know. I mean, I thought maybe it might be already installed, but there's no real, like, what is, okay. Software manager. Flat hub. What does this do? Oh, okay. No. Let's go to YouTube. Kinda slow. You have to search for something. So let's search for Linux Mint. There we go. 22. 4 months ago. So what do we have here? Updates. Where was that system info thing? System info. So we're on 21.2. So I guess we want 22. Now I assume once all this is set up, it's smooth. It's just, I feel like, I mean, I'm not savvy, but okay, well, there's all kinds of updates. Firefox, File Manager, Ubuntu, Tools. But what about the actual software update? Cinnamon File Manager. So what is Linux Mint Cinnamon? New Ubuntu base, same mint. Linux Mint 22 upgrades the base to 24. Okay, let's try. Steam. So, but can you install? Epic. Can you play Fortnite on here? Because that's all anybody cares about, right? Epic. Games. No. Install updates. Okay. But how do you... Okay, how do you install Fortnite Linux? Is there any way I can run Fortnite on Linux? There is 100% no way to run Fortnite on Linux. Your only option is game streaming. What? You can't. What? You can't run Fortnite. What's the point? Why does everybody say to run Linux if you can't run Fortnite on it? Some of the pictures. Yeah, I don't get it, man. So what do you do on Linux? I mean, an error occurred. Failed to fetch. How do you upgrade Linux? Upgrade to Linux Mint Virginia. A new version of Linux Mint is available. Please read the notes. I don't care. I understand the risk. Yeah, I mean, I don't understand this now. I thought you're supposed to be able to do whatever you want. Like, you would... Fine. These don't work. I'm confused. I don't see the advantage then. I mean, I guess for just a basic computer to run Chrome and YouTube and Steam, which would not install. It's installing now, but the thing is, to me, it doesn't even feel faster. It's... And we've been doing this for what, 45 minutes, and it's still not installed. It's barely updating. Yeah, I don't get it, man. If you can tell me what I'm doing wrong here, please let me know. But this is not for me. Anyway, let me know what you think. I don't know what I would do with this. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what did I do wrong? What's going on here? Because I don't see the advantage at this point.
So final thoughts. If you made it this far, I applaud you, because how can you watch a video where you can't see anything, right? But I didn't want to make the video over because I wanted my first reaction to be recorded. So you're pretty much just hearing it but not seeing it. And so I had trouble with the terminology of the partitions, where to install it, which version to install. I'm sure once you do it a few times, you get used to it. So what I'm going to do is, to be fair, is I'm going to go ahead and use it for a few days just with Chrome. And that's pretty much all I use is Chrome for basic stuff. YouTube. I'm going to see also what it's like to upload a video to YouTube from Linux. I assume it's the same process, but that would be something that would be interesting. And then I will install Steam and a game of some sort and just see how it is. But this time, the capture should be on the screen, so it won't be all messed up like this one was. I apologize for that. So yeah, I have to update it to the latest version too. And then we'll see how it is. So stay tuned. I'll post a link after. I'll probably do it within a couple days, just so I can make a better version of this video.